Step one is to get rid of the old to prepare for the new. Shower and tub fixtures are held in place in different ways. Mine happen to be threaded on, so I used a pipe wrench to remove both handles as well as the tub spout. You'll notice that I've covered the tub with a drop cloth. It's going to protect it in case any of the parts fall, as well as protect it when we start removing the tile. I opened the wall around the fixtures and noticed that the tile was attached directly to drywall. Now I knew what was ahead of me in that I'd have to replace all the drywall with cement board. This is what 50 years of hard water will do to a fixture. To remove the rest of the tile and drywall, I decided the easiest way to do it would be to use a reciprocating saw. I'm going to cut it into sections and then remove the section at a time. Now notice, I'm not plunging the reciprocating saw blade deep into the wall because I don't know what's behind there. So keep it very shallow so it's just deep enough to cut through the grout and the drywall. Use sandcloth or a roll of abrasive paper to clean off the copper pipe wherever you plan to cut it. And then use a copper tubing cutter to make clean cuts across each of the copper pipes. It's easy to use a tubing cutter. Simply tighten it around the copper pipe, rotate it around the pipe, tighten it a little more, and keep rotating and tightening until the pipe is cut free. In part 2, we'll get the shower tub surround ready for tile.